Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 2nd. This is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar, I mean, it's been very sideways, but it has been making lower lows, lower highs. Today is non-farm payroll news. This doesn't really seem to be a big enough pullback for a wave two. I mean, you would expect the wave two to at least go down to the 38%, possibly even a lot lower than that. Now, the problem with assuming that the price is going to go down that low is the higher time frames. I am extremely, extremely bullish on the higher time frames. If you go all the way up to like the monthly, I think the Kiwi dollar could get all the way up to like the 0.75 area, maybe by the end of the year or sometime next year. So definitely extremely bullish on the daily, weekly, monthly. Then you go down to the shorter time frames, like the 1 hour, and you come up with reasons why it's going to go down because you're like, oh, it's a wave two. It's going to go down from between the 38 and the 78%. So you start looking for shorts, and then a big news event comes out like the non-farm payroll, and it just shoots right up because the higher time frames are in an uptrend, and the higher time frames are definitely going to um, is definitely going to contradict anything you may perhaps see on these sort of time frames. So, I mean, looking at these sort of time frames, if we really are in a wave two, then I definitely would expect it to go down to at least a 38%, possibly even lower before it goes up. And it would make sense for it to go down today and then next week at the dollar interest rate news potentially go up. But I don't really think I'm participating in the sort because when you're in such a strong uptrend on the higher time frames, the odds are that it could just keep on going up and that the higher time frame trend may just keep on trending. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.